heading into Tanfield railway station. You can see the old signal that switches the tracks, which is pretty cool. Looks pretty awesome. And you see the separate sections there. Okay, so I'm going to have to be very careful because know me, I will trip over this. So, and Richard's just waiting for me right on that train station. He's telling me to hurry up. Okay, so it's getting smaller and smaller here. Oh, stone in my shoe. Oh. This is the wrong bad idea to wear sandals on this little expedition again. Whew. Wow, looks awesome. So I'm just crossing into this section here. Again, you can see different tracks. Richard's waiting for us just there. I think it's an old signal. And that's where I just came from. Again, I'm going to have to be very careful here. Know me, I will fall flat on my face. Oh, an old disused piece of railway line here. So I'm going to cross over in this section. To this little bit here. And there's Richard waiting for me. Hello, Richard. Hi. And all this here switches the lines here. Oh. Which we're not going to touch because this line is still used. So I'm not touching anything here right now. Switch it there for us. Right, I'm going to cross over here because there's a big kind of drop here. Ooh. Okay, and then we're just going to walk up this little ramp here. Right. Hi Richard, got your video. I think that's where they store the trains, I think. Maybe. And there's East Tanfield railway line. I don't know what that thing is over there. Another section of track here, which goes back to where I just walked. Little machinery over there, as you can see. I'm not quite sure what that is. I don't know if that actually nails the railway pieces. Okay, this is looks like an old coal train. I know, I'm gonna have a go. I'm gonna hop up. Shall I hop up?
Be careful. Along the block.
I think it's a dare, Richard. Right, I'm gonna take a picture first. Right, wish me luck. Oh, and we're up. Oh, can you see anything in there? Oh my god, they still turn. Open, shut. You see that? Open, shut. Wonder for the different carriages, I think, maybe. No, do not unhook me and push me off. This one's a bit stiffer. Oh, it's a bit heavy there. But yeah, you can turn these, but... Hello, Richard! I don't know if you can see what's in here. Probably used for old coal or something. Oh, now I'm going to have to try and hop back down without breaking my neck. safety. You can hop on there as well, but I'm not going to do that. These ones are from Sim.